Hi and welcome to my channel. Today I'm sharing an altered tea bag. I'm using the Tropical Summer set from Rubber Dance together with acrylic paints. I start by adding gesso with a palette knife. When the gesso is dry, I go in with different acrylic paints. I'm drying the tea bag again and go in with another layer of gesso. Creating more layers adds a lot more depth to your work. After the gesso is dry, I go in with some pink color tones. I like to use complementary colors on my work. This increases the contrast and makes it even more interesting. I often use black and white in my work because of the high contrast I mentioned before. This adds a lot more depth. For my main image, the flamingo, I am coloring some encaustic paper with Distress Oxide inks. The encaustic paper has a very smooth surface and the colors turn into some pastels when you apply it to the paper. I'm adding more layers and in between I dry the paper with my heat tool. Another way to apply Distress Oxides is to use a mini jelly plate. I stamped the flamingo from the Tropical Summer set from Rubber Dance onto the encaustic paper and cut it out. Before I adhere it to my tea bag, I use some of the stamps that come with the set and create more texture to the background. I am also using the stitching stamps from the Grungy Borders stamp set. The stamp I'm using now comes with our collage elements. It seems my background isn't messy enough, so I'm adding some pink splatters. Finally, I use glossy accents to glue the flamingo down. I finish it up by adding a Tim Holtz sentiment sticker. Here is the finished piece. I love to use those tea bags in my junk or art journal. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to my channel. Bye!